Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do mosaic art. We have two friends with us, Fateh and Zafar. They are brothers and today they are going to tell that how we are going to do mosaic art. Do you know what is mosaic art?
Yeah.
Okay. Fateh, can you please tell me?
Mosaic art means to decorate things with stone, paper, and glass.
Well done, great job. So, what we have today, we are having small pieces of paper. You can see that we are having these small triangles of yellow color. These are the squares in red color, and again the squares of yellow color. We just use a piece of chart colored sheet and cut them into pieces. And here is the chart paper with an image. They have selected an image, a freehand drawing of a horse, and now we are going to decorate. So boys, are you ready to do it?
Yes.
So let's start now. Yes, we need a glue also. Okay, start your work.